Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining a single goal and collecting the text you'll process. Once done, paste 1 3-source paragraphs into ChatGPT and ask for a concise summary or a draft rewrite. Explain tone and length. Make sure to set constraints, word count, reading level, or required keywords so outputs stay useful. Then copy ChatGPT's output directly into Quillbot, selecting the mode you need. This immediate loop gets you a human-ready version fast. Once you have a draft, alternate tools deliberately. Use Quillbot to paraphrase and fix grammar, and use ChatGPT to reorganize or add clarity. For example, ask ChatGPT for 3 possible intros and 1-sentence transitions, then run each through Quillbot to tighten language and remove repetition. Make sure to keep original meaning by checking key facts and numbers. If tone drifts, instruct both tools with explicit adjectives and examples so the final piece matches your intent. To finish, consolidate. Ask ChatGPT for a final edit focused on clarity and a 2-line summary for headers. Then run the text through Quillbot's fluency or formal mode for polish. Once done, proofread one last time for factual consistency and formatting. If outputs conflict, different phrasing or missing facts, compare versions sentence by sentence and choose the one that preserves meaning. Ask ChatGPT to merge them explicitly. If things still fail, clear prompts and repeat the loop with precise constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.